Our LG top-load washing machine is not draining. And so we've troubleshot it down to the drain pump, which we've gotten a new drain pump. Our style needs the full assembly. I'm ready to change the drain pump. First thing I need to do when working around electricity is to unplug it and make sure that now I'm going to take it away from the wall. There's no power going to the machine. Get to the back.
Okay, so this is the new parts that my husband got. Is the whole assembly, and tools that he got right now are this.
A 10mm socket and extension, because I don't have a 10mm deep socket, and a ratchet. The only other thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver or ratcheting head screwdriver.
Now he's going to take the cover.
The back cover comes off. Other hose off, there's going to be more water coming from the tub where through this line, and this line is too short that I can't put a bucket or anything under it, so it's just going to make a little bit of a mess. But I move the spring back and you got to slide that off.
Basic.
But anything that's in the tub is going to drain all over the floor.
Okay,
so it's going to make a mess.
Put it here on this side. Okay, that's fine. Okay. No, that towel. Okay, just go and finish. Okay.
Yes, two in the back that you need to just feel for, and one in the front that you could pretty much see. And this is why you need a deep socket or an extension, is to get more freedom of movement on the ratchet.
It's big. Okay.
That's what the bolt looks like. You know, only this part goes.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's all wet here, so we put a lot of towels. Okay, now just so you know that.
Ow!
That's the look of the bad one. So this is the older one. So we got the new one. This is the bad one. And that's a new one. And that's worth what? 135 if you buy the parts. So now we're gonna put the new one. So it's just the same process. Okay, so now he already put the
3 bolts.
3
back
bolts.
in.
Okay, so now that's really the area of this full assembly now. Okay, let's go.
So
in.
next thing is to make sure that the discharge hose goes to the discharge side. Goes all the way down. And reclip.
Show it to them. See, that's the 2 pumps now.
The 2 lines onto the pump and the discharge.
That's
Now you have to
Yeah, just clip it. You're good. So now we clip the the 2 blocks now and with their clips. Okay. So what's your next?
gonna clean up a little bit before I do electrical.
Okay. Okay, come here on this
Okay.
side. Show it here because I cannot show all that area.
I'm going to reconnect the new connector into the wire bundle.
Okay, and that's the wire bundle.
Make sure it's blue to blue, and there's only one way I believe that it clips in anyways.
There.
Clipped in, blue to blue. Put the plastic bag back over it. And
oh, okay, that's
there's
this
a
one.
holder.
Oh,
There's a wire holder that holds it against the side of the machine.
so everything's the way, so I just put that. Okay.
Now just take the wire
Okay.
and put it
There's a clip.
into the clips along the bottom.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oops, I should put it.
Okay, so there's only one left. Okay, sure. Oh, there you go. It's hard to so there's a place to clip it also. Okay, now you already clip it. There's a thing to clip. That one, and at the end in there.
So the only
Now?
thing left to do is put the back on and we could test it out.
Okay, so
There's 2 notches right there for the bottom.
there you go. Yeah. Shoot that.
Bend it a little
Bend
bit.
a little bit. Oh, okay. There, and now you're just gonna
Line it up. Put 4 screws back in.
there you go. And we are done. That's how it. We try it. And of course he knows the wrong one, right honey? Because it doesn't, the water goes in but the water doesn't goes out. So he knows already it's the pump. The
Well,
pump.
we checked the lines to see if we had any clogged lines. So
Yeah.
we did.
He
And
did that.
we
He
did
cleaned
electrical to make sure that it was getting power.
that. the last one. There we go.
Well, let's first push the machine back in.
Okay. Putting it. Line up. Line up.
Slide the machine back in.
Yeah, slide the machine. There you go. Of course. Okay. Oh,
And
there's...
turn the water back on.
Okay. You wanna put this one also on the other side? Okay, now we put that hose there. Did you put the water line?
I have the water turned on.
Turn on, okay.
And now I'm just gonna
Okay.
put the power cord back.
Oh. Hold on. We'll see.
We're ready to test it.
So I think it will gonna work. See, you can see that. Normal. Machine is like load sensing right now.